Hey everybody, you know me, Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. Quick video here. Got a busy day today. This is one of the homes I'm doing. I'm using the shower feed, about 1.5 gallons of water, and the encapsulation solution. And you can see here, these rooms I've already done. Came out beautiful. And I'm using the Zinger pad. So I'll work my way down this hallway. I didn't have my little phone holder, so I couldn't really set it up, or my tripod. I'll work on getting better at that so I don't have much footage. But this is upstairs in the loft area. And of course, one-handed, I'm gonna be wobbling like crazy. And I do need to figure out the pad driver on this thing. There's a lot of loose play on it. I need to fill the gap or something, and that'll stop that. But obviously when I tuck it in my waist and hold it with two hands, it doesn't wobble like this. So, and this new method of just using that Zinger pad, look at that. It is just crazy. It does a great job. I'll post vacuum when I'm done. And then on this video, you'll see I will actually post vac it, and then I'm not really satisfied with the way it looks, so I'll go back out and I'll get my Grande groomer, the actual rake the carpets. I do like the way they look after that. My regular triangle brush is picking up a lot of hair and a lot of lint, and it started spreading that around, so I haven't been using it lately, in case you're wondering. And I am going to load my other Grande groomer, the one with the black brush bristles on it, so that I have that for the flat carpets. Like you'll see, one of the rooms in this job was like an olive flat carpet, and the rake just didn't really do it justice. And this is just showing this small area. I did it one direction, then threw it in reverse, and then another direction, just for demonstration purposes. But really do like the Zinger pad with the shower feed. I think I probably will start using a moon pad. Damon's going to send me a moon pad to try out, to pre-shampoo with the tank and then throw an Iron Man on there, or one of these. Look at the dirt. Look how beautiful it came out. I'll see. I might try that method out and then see if the carpets get dry. But you can see I filled that up. That's about a 2.5 gallon tank. And I still have that much left, so I probably put about 1.5 gallons in the machine. The pads were moist and damp, and the carpets were dry in 30 minutes. Customer was ecstatic. She thought the carpets came out beautiful, so that's all that matters to me. It's a beautiful day out here. Like I said, I'm working without my helper. He's off for the week, so I've only got 3 today. I've had 4 yesterday. So I'm trying to move quickly. I did do the stairs with the hand mitt and the drill. Check out that room. Here it is after vacuuming. You see what I'm saying? I didn't like that. And then here it is with the actual bristle brush, which I still don't like. I like it on this frisé carpet. It looks good, but the vacuum lines don't look too bad. But like in here, I need that soft black bristle brush to smooth out all the patterns. And that's it after the comb, the Grande groomer. Let me know what you think. Looks beautiful. Look at that entry. It was filthy all the way down. The shadows are playing havoc on my phone. But hey, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you stopping in for this episode. Chime in on the comments. Always love to hear from my friends. I've got 2 more to do, so I'll scoot on my way, check out those stairs, and I'll see you in the next episode.